Hey, how's it going, everybody? Matt here. So I run a bunch of faceless YouTube channels, and I always wanted there to be a way to generate faceless videos with just a few clicks that were actually good, that could potentially actually get a lot of views. So my team and I have built VID.AI, which is that. We literally built that. So check this out. If we wanted to generate a video, let's say we found this channel right here. It's getting millions of views talking about different travel subjects like 12 airport secrets airlines are keeping quiet about. We can copy that, give it a title, give it a prompt. We can also put in a custom script if we'd like to right there as well. It'll tell us how long our video would be, but we can do that. Then we can put a duration. Let's say we want to make a 10-minute video right there. Got a bunch of different voices to choose from. I'll just use my own voice, but these voices, indistinguishable from humans. You literally cannot tell. Hey, my name's Matt, and I'd be happy to voice over any. That's AI. It's insane. And we have like 40 plus of these voices right here. Click generate a video. Just like that, we got our full script written right here. Really good script, actually. We can edit all this manually. We can also edit it with AI. We can tell it, for example, to change this to be whatever you want it to be and do that if you'd like. Then you can just click next right there. And now just like that, we got an actual video generated. It's got captions on by default. We can change how the captions look. We can change the size of them if we want to make them bigger or so forth. We can edit the font or anything. We can change it to look how we want it to. And we can also put some music on it. We got tons of different options for music, actually like thousands of songs. So if, for example, we wanted something like some tech music, we just search that. Tons of different options right here that we can put in the background. Completely royalty-free everything. Same thing with the background videos right here, completely royalty-free. We can also switch out the media. So if, for example, we don't like what's showing right here, we can change this out to be a different clip. Let's say, for example, we wanted to put a plane takeoff instead. And we got tons of options of clips we can use. Again, all of these are completely royalty free, so you don't have to worry about copyright or anything. And we got a bunch more options. We got timeline editing coming soon, as well as longer videos also, and also AI generated visuals also coming very soon. By the time you're watching this, it might be on there. And when we're ready to export it, we just click this button, export right here. We're going to let that render. Then we can take a look at how the video looks. So just like that, we got the video done. It literally only took a couple minutes. One of the fastest video generators out there. If we play the video, we can take a look. Airports are bustling hubs of activity where millions of travelers pass through every day. However, behind the scenes, there are numerous secrets that airlines and airports keep under wraps. These secrets can range from the mundane to the shocking, revealing insights. It's pretty good, and if we take a look at what that original video was right here, you can take a look. This video got 1.4 million views.
Airports are filled with secrets.
And you can make the captions look like this. Hey, how's it going, everybody? Matt here. So I run a bunch of faceless YouTube channels, and I always wanted there to be a way to generate faceless videos, however you want to make it look. You can also write custom scripts, generate videos from a custom script if you want. This works for so many different niches. Also, we don't just do long form videos either. Even though that's what I primarily do, it's gotten me millions of subscribers across my channels, videos like that. We can also do really good short form content. So if you go click create shorts, you can create faceless shorts, fake text videos, as well as split screen videos. These go super viral on social media. For example, if we want to do a faceless short right here, you can choose from a popular topic, scary stories, interesting facts, historical events, etc. You can also put in your own prompt, like let's say, for example, wanted to do something about the top 5 biggest airplanes, like so. Choose your voice, do Kayla for this one, and you can choose from different types of AI generated images. We have natural, anime, etc. And you can also put viral content in the background of your videos. You can also put satisfying videos, gameplay videos, whether it's Subway Surfers, Minecraft. I like the AI generated ones personally. Then we can just click generate content right there. And now the script is done. If we want to regenerate any of these images, we can click to do that. We can preview all the AI generated visuals that'll be showing throughout this. We can edit the script if we want to. We can even upload our own image if we wanted our own content on there also. Then we can just click create next right there. It'll even show you the time that the video will be. So expected to be about 30 seconds long. Click generate. And just like that, video's done. Literally took like 20 seconds. Now we have a video. We can make the font size a bit bigger if we want. And we can choose from music, change the captions to our liking. Take a look at it.
Did you know the biggest airplanes in the world can carry hundreds of passengers? At number 5, we have the Boeing 747-8, a true giant of the sky.
It's a really good short, literally generated in a couple of seconds. Just trying to make the best tool for generating videos on the internet, just making it better and better, reinvesting as much as we can into just making this the best AI video generator for YouTube faceless videos like what I personally do, as well as YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, TikToks, VID.AI is where it's at, and we're just trying to make the absolute best tool that we possibly can. And we compare this against hiring people to make the videos for you. You could be spending thousands of dollars in a lot of cases doing that, or if you're doing it yourself, you're going to spend countless hours. So really just trying to save you a lot of time, save you money if you want to use it, and we can help you with that if you're interested. So feel free to sign up. I think we have a launch deal going on right now, so you can hopefully secure the price grandfathered in before it goes up. My name is Matt Parr, by the way. I really believe we built something really special here that's going to really help you a ton, and I can't wait for you to try it. We'll see you inside of VID.AI.